Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Rata K, and in today's video we're going to be doing a color series, one of my color series looks. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy it. I decided to do a black smoky look, as you guys can see. It was really fun doing it, and I actually love how it looks. It doesn't look bad on me, it doesn't look that bad, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna look bomb on you. So I say try this look, try it and see how it's gonna go. It's gonna be so fun just experimenting. Yeah, so let's flip to the video and get this color series going on, because it's gonna be cool. Oh yeah, oh yeah, okay, let's go. I have done black before on my face, and I feel like it makes me look a little bit more mature, but I don't hate it. I think it looks really good. I'm just gonna put my hair to the back so that I can like focus on my face. Okay, so I'm going to be using this eyeshadow palette. It's the Born to Run eyeshadow palette by Urban Decay, and this is the only eyeshadow palette I'm going to use. I'm going to be using these blowout lashes, the beehive ones. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see this. Then for my lip, I'm going to go with this MAC. It's kind of, this is the lip I used for my prom, so I thought I could like use it for this, because I've been told that if you're going to go like dramatic on the eye, go soft on the lip. And then if you go soft on the lip, if you go dramatic on the lip, be a little bit soft in the eye. Some people just decide to go dramatic, and it looks good and it works. But because I'm only like starting this out and I'm trying it, this color series, and I hope you guys enjoy it too, I'm just gonna go bold on the eye and simple on the lip, and as time goes we might do bold and bold, you know. So yeah, let's get started. I've put on my lashes. I kind of darkened the black to make it a little bit more popping. I think I like this. Actually cannot even see myself. Ooh. Okay. It's looking fierce. Like, hi girl. Yeah. This looks nice. I like it. thank you so much for watching this video and staying till the end. I hope you guys enjoyed the color series theme for today. If you guys have any other type of looks, green, blue, red, orange, I don't know, let me know down below in the comment section. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on my post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a new video, because you want to be the first one to know about those videos that I'll be posting. Okay, I love you guys to the moon and back on earth. Bye.